Handle repairs and projects with precise heat tools built for mobility easily. Best cordless heat guns deliver fast heating, adjustable airflow, and strong battery. Performance for professionals and home users tackling shrink wrap, paint, removal, and plastic shaping efficiently anywhere. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now let's get started. Number 1. DEWALT Atomic Electric Ratchet Wrench. The DEWALT Atomic Electric Ratchet Wrench is a top choice for professionals and DIY enthusiasts seeking a high-torque, versatile tool. Its brushless motor delivers up to 70 ft-lbs of torque, making it suitable for a wide range of fasteners and applications. The compact design and low-profile head allow users to reach tight spots with ease, while the glass-filled nylon housing offers durability against oils and solvents that could damage lesser tools. This ratchet also features an onboard LED work light, illuminating dark workspaces for more precise handling. Speed control is handled with a variable trigger, enabling you to adjust the torque according to the job at hand. Its cordless compatibility with all DEWALT 20V Max batteries and chargers adds convenience, letting you swap batteries for uninterrupted work. While the battery and charger are sold separately, this tool's lightweight design and ergonomic build reduce hand fatigue during extended use, whether you're working on automotive repairs. Number 2. FULLYEA Max Cordless Heat Gun. The FULLYEA Max Cordless Heat Gun is designed for efficiency, portability, and safety. It heats rapidly with 2 temperature settings, a high setting reaching 1022 degrees Fahrenheit for heavy-duty jobs and a low setting of 572 degrees Fahrenheit for delicate applications. The heat gun comes with 5 different nozzles, making it ideal for shrink tubing, shrink wrapping, paint removal, and various DIY projects. It is powered by 2 4.0 lithium-ion batteries, which can be alternated to extend working time, ensuring uninterrupted performance on longer tasks. The tool's ergonomic handle ensures comfort during prolonged use, and its safety lock prevents accidental activation. High-quality honeycomb stainless steel on the air outlet ensures even airflow and precise heat distribution. Its lightweight and cordless design allow for excellent maneuverability, making it easy to reach difficult spots or work without tethered limitations. Number 3. Foduuo 350-watt Cordless Heat Gun. The Foduuo 350-watt Cordless Heat Gun is a practical option for small DIY tasks and precise heating applications. Compatible with DEWALT 20V Max batteries, it allows users to utilize existing batteries even if other tools are unavailable, offering flexibility and cost savings. The heat gun features a premium ceramic heating core for fast and efficient heating, with temperature control ranging from 120 degrees Fahrenheit to 1110 degrees Fahrenheit and 2-speed airflow options for precise work. Its LCD display shows real-time temperature readings, and a memory function maintains the last-used settings, saving time during repetitive tasks. Safety is prioritized with a 6-second cooling fan system, built-in overheat protection, and low-voltage battery cutoff, which help prolong the tool's lifespan and protect both user and battery. Lightweight and cordless, it offers excellent maneuverability for small-scale projects like electronics repair, tubing, or crafting. While not suitable for industrial-scale use, this heat gun excels in convenience. Number 4. VENUSTEK 20-volt Cordless Heat Gun. The VENUSTEK 20-volt Cordless Heat Gun combines power, precision, and portability for both hobbyists and professionals. Its dual 4.0 lithium-ion batteries provide extended runtime, allowing uninterrupted work by swapping batteries as needed. The ergonomic, soft rubber handle ensures comfort during prolonged use, while the lightweight, cordless design makes maneuvering in tight or awkward spaces effortless. The heat gun features a smart digital display with real-time temperature and airflow monitoring. Users can adjust temperature from 122 degrees Fahrenheit to 1022 degrees Fahrenheit in precise 10 degrees Celsius increments and select from 5 fan speeds, providing accurate control for delicate or intensive tasks. Fast heating and 4 customizable presets allow for efficient work on projects like shrink tubing, vinyl wrapping, paint removal, and candle making. The included 5-piece nozzle set directs heat exactly where it's needed, improving precision on specialized tasks such as plastic bending, thawing pipes, or adhesive loosening. Number 5. Samvinor 350-watt cordless heat gun. The Samvinor 350-watt cordless heat gun is a versatile, battery-powered tool designed for portability and efficiency. Compatible with Milwaukee 18V batteries, it allows users to leverage existing battery systems, offering freedom of movement for a variety of tasks. The heat gun reaches 2 temperatures, 572 degrees Fahrenheit for light applications, and 1022 degrees Fahrenheit for more demanding jobs, heating up in just 3 to 5 seconds thanks to its powerful 350W motor. Its airflow ranges from 120 to 200 liters per minute with a maximum airflow of 7 CFM, ensuring consistent performance across different applications. Safety features include heat dissipation, overload protection, a built-in LED light, and a temperature lock to prevent accidental changes. A hidden hook provides convenient storage options. The tool comes with 4 nozzles and a scraper, making it suitable for shrink tubing, PVC wrapping, paint removal, car detailing, and other DIY projects. Lightweight and cordless, it provides excellent mobility and ease of use, making it ideal for professionals or DIY enthusiasts who value efficiency, safety, and portability. I share helpful videos for you every day. So, don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon for notifications. You'll find all product links and updated prices in the description below. If you have any questions, feel free to comment. I'm ready to reply. We've done our personal research to save you both time and money. Our top 5 list is carefully made based on ratings, reviews, quality, and durability. So, you can confidently choose the best product.